how can we use the scheduler effectively? Well, it's
Oh,
got a new tool in there where it kind of helps you guide you if you're pinning things too close together. So that's one.
yes. So Smart Guide will help you not pin too close together. One of the things that I really love and that is a favorite feature of a lot of people is called interval pinning. So if you know that you're going to pin, or you want to pin to the most relevant board first, right? That sends Pinterest the best signals about what your content is about. But then there might be other relevant boards you should save to that will give Pinterest a little bit more context about the content of your pin. So rather than having to come back later or to schedule separately, what you can do is you can add that to your Tailwind drafts, and then you can say, I want to add to this board, and this board, and then set an interval so that it will pin one today and one in a few weeks and one a few weeks later.
Mhm.
So we have a kind of a data study coming out soon, which is very exciting, that it is showing that for the research we did, most of the action is happening on your pins within the first 2 months, right? So something that I'm experimenting with, Jeff and I will kind of experiment on this with this together, is sharing out, okay, I want these pins to go to these boards, but saving them at a much larger interval
Mm.
to see, like, if you can get the most out of that first one, and then as that one's starting to die down, can you add in a different pin and have that go out a few months later? So that's something that we are trying. We're going to see how that works. But definitely check out interval pinning. It's super
Yeah,
handy.
it's really cool. Something. Oh, so we're talking about resources for learning Pinterest and Tailwind. Pinterest Academy is a great place. Happy Pin
Oh,
Designs.
yes.
A lot of good stuff there. Also,
Yep.
Pinterest Community is really really good. There's a lot of stuff there that you can go and see people asking questions, follow those threads down, and get some really good answers. I've been really finding that's a great place to go as
Yeah.
well.